How to bokashi fish and other seafood scraps. There are 5 steps in bokashing your seafood scraps. You have to repeat steps 2 to 3 until the container is full. Step 1. The opening crew have to prepare all of the bokashi supplies. First, they have to prepare a biscuit container or an ice cream container with a thin layer of Bokashi Bran, molasses, and liquid bokashi, and also, of course, the Bokashi Bran. First, add a thin layer of Bokashi Bran into your biscuit container. Ensure that you have molasses ready near the sink or your station. And of course, the most important thing is the liquid Bokashi and also the dry Bokashi Bran in a recycled PET bottle. Repeat steps 2 to 4 until the container is full. For every handful of fish and seafood scraps, add a handful of Bokashi Bran and about a tablespoon of molasses. So what could be worse than a pile of the leftover parts of a dead fish? Disposing of this waste can be a problem for anyone who cleans and processes the fish, from restaurants and even small fishing operations. Composting may well be the answer. The carbon-rich material, which is the rice husk, help in balancing the nitrogen-rich fish sea waste, while the microorganisms in the bran also helps to decompose it faster. When your container is half full, add a tablespoon of molasses and mix it well. Normally, fish and seafood do not contain natural sugars, and it happened that our microbes actually feed on sugar. So we need to add molasses into the fish and seafood waste so that the microbes will have something to feed on. It will also help to neutralize the odor of the seafood. This step is optional. You can also add a tablespoon of liquid bokashi for an extra boost of good microbes. Repeat steps 2 to 3 until your temporary container is full of fish and seafood scraps. Ensure at all times that the container is covered tightly with the lid. Also add equal amounts and mix it well with dried leaves or paper. At the end of the shift, the closing crew will then transfer the contents of the ice cream container to the Bokashi bucket. Here's another look in the complete step-by-step procedure on how to bokashi your fish and other food scraps.